Your girl Chicks Apparel again. This is our latest design and it's going for just 16,000 naira. Look at this beauty. See how we styled it. It has this side drawstrings that can give you this ruffle look, or you can straighten it and let it run free. Look at the back design. Have you seen it? It will cinch your waist and give you a beautiful shape. And this front is laid plain. Yes, it is an idea, a strategy to conceal our mommy's pouch. And it has an opening on the chest here. For those of us that are breastfeeding mom, you can open it and you breastfeed your baby. So this dress is just like 3-in-1. It can serve so many purposes for you. Concealing your tummy, that's one problem it's solving. Helping you to breastfeed your baby and still, look pink by the time you are done. So we have a bigger size of this, which is a size 24. What I'm putting on is a size 22. We have size 20, we have 18, and this is a size 16.